In the face of life's hardships, it's crucial to hold on to the unwavering belief that hope never fades. Challenges may test our strength and resilience, but deep within there lies a flickering flame of hope that can guide us through the darkest of times. Remember, even when circumstances seem bleak, hope has the power to illuminate our path and inspire us to keep moving forward. Embrace the notion that every setback is temporary and every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. Trust in your own abilities and the resilience of the human spirit. Keep your eyes on the horizon, for beyond the struggles, there is a brighter tomorrow waiting to unfold. Embrace hope as your steadfast companion and let it fuel your determination to overcome any adversity that comes your way. Believe with unwavering conviction that even in the midst of life's storms, there is always hope.